Hello, this is DC Trading. Today we have some important news to talk about in regards to crypto. Not only that, we're going to be doing some technical analysis on Bitcoin as well as Ethereum and looking into what to expect this week. With that said, let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so first off, we're going to do technical analysis on Bitcoin. Yes, as you guys know, 2 days ago it got rejected around the $42,500 mark, which happened a few weeks ago, as you guys know, but it did, held up pretty good around the 40,000 today, as you guys can see. So for this week, I do expect it to make its way back up and test the $42,500 mark. Hopefully we can break this. It's gonna keep testing it, and eventually it is gonna break through. We know it will break through, but the question is when. We don't know when. It can be this week, so make sure to look out for that. So as moving on to Ethereum, yes guys, we're looking at Ethereum now. As you guys can see, that it was a few days ago, or like a few weeks ago, it was at 2,500, and it's making its way back up to the $3,000 mark. It came very close to the $3,000 mark at 2,900, I believe, 2,986, as you guys can see. So as you guys know, the resistance right now is around the $3,000 mark, and it got rejected again, as you guys can see. But I do expect Ethereum to break through this week or next week and continue moving up because of all the news surrounding Ethereum 2.0, and we are closer to Ethereum 2.0. As you guys can see right here, so it did held up pretty good. There was, a pullback all the way down to the 2,800 yesterday, and now it's making its way back up. Very good, very healthy pullback, as you guys can see. So expect this week to, to see the $3,000. It might reach over it a little bit, maybe to the 3,100. We don't know. But I do see Ethereum having a greater chance of breaking through the resistance than Bitcoin. So those are some technical analysis on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let me know what you guys think. And if you want to watch other, news on crypto, check out my latest videos. I talk about a lot about Bitcoin, Ethereum, all that stuff. And if you want to check out the top cryptocurrencies to invest in 2022 right now, it could be metaverse, just coins in general. Make sure to click above or go on my channel and check it out. So now moving on to some news. As you guys see, a couple hours ago, there's this article that came out that said Goldman Sachs to offer over-the-counter crypto options trading. Yes, guys, this is some good news, especially for, people on the Wall Street. It does give them an option to embrace crypto by trading it on Wall Street, as you guys know. So it says right here, Goldman Sachs Group Inc. executed its first over-the-counter crypto options trade, a further step into its expansion of digital assets offerings to Wall Street investors. The bank traded a non-deliverable Bitcoin option, a derivative tied to Bitcoin's price that pays out in cash. So this does, allow people to trade Bitcoin over the counter in exchange for cash. So it does look, favorable for people to use and to trade on Wall Street. So it said in a statement, the transaction was facilitated by Galaxy Digital Holdings, a crypto financial service firm started by former Goldman partner Michael Novogratz. Sorry if I'm pronouncing anything wrong. Options are used by crypto investors to hedge risk or boost yields, and over-the-counter transactions are typically larger trades negotiated privately. So that's some news surrounding Bitcoin and crypto in general. And if you guys were wondering what is over-the-counter, which stands for, or is an acronym for OTC, well, right here, guys, according to Investopedia, if you look on Investopedia, it says over-the-counter refers to the process of how securities are traded via broker-dealer network as opposed to on a centralized exchange. Over-the-counter trading can involve equities, debt instruments, and derivatives, which are financial contracts that derive their value from an underlying asset such as commodity. In some cases, securities might not meet the requirements to have a listing on a standard market exchange, such as the New York Stock Exchange. Instead, these securities can be traded over the counter. However, over-the-counter trading can include equities that are listed on exchanges and stocks that are not listed. Stocks that are listed on an exchange and traded via OTC are typically called over-the-counter equity securities or OTC equities. So some key takeaways right here, guys. Over-the-counter securities are traded directly between counterparties without being listed on an exchange. So there's no third party. It's just two parties doing the exchange. Very simple. Securities that are traded over the counter may be facilitated by a dealer or broker specializing in OTC markets. OTC trading helps promote equity and financial instruments that would otherwise be unavailable to investors. And companies with OTC shares may raise capital through the sale of stock. So that's just a little bit about OTC, over the counter. And I mean, that's pretty much all I have today, guys. Make sure if you enjoyed the video and you learned something new, hit the like button, subscribe, turn post notifications. Last but not least, join Discord if you love to trade and want to network with other traders. Also, I do, trade binary options as well, if you didn't know. Make sure to go check out my strategies or go watch me trade. Click above here, go check it out. With that said, this is DC Trading, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.